Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today we're back in that small shooting house that I built. Let me show you something. We're rocking the single shot 410. So today we're going to try to get it done. The farthest shot of that guy's about 40, 50 yards. I feel confident this gun's going to work. But you don't ever know. So I brought it. I've been wanting to kill a deer with this gun since I bought it, just to say I've done it. I did it with my 20 gauge. It's the same gun as my 20 gauge, but chambered in a 410. So this is an H&R single shot shotgun. This is a Topper model 490. So paid $100 for this gun. It's been a good one. It's killed a rabbit. It's killed some squirrels. I've shot doe with it. So we're gonna try to get us a deer with it today. Alright guys, well I know you're hoping for some awesome hunting footage of me killing something and all that. Well, don't have any. I've been hunting the past 2 weeks. I've hunted out at the property with the duck slough twice. I've also hunted at that shooting house that I built twice. I haven't seen any deer, so I don't know what it is, what the deal is. I know it's been a full moon. It kind of messes up. We've had some really rough weather here lately as well, but I'll show you all some funny clips from some of the videos, but really just been struggling to see something. So if you guys don't care to watch this video, that's cool, but I'm going to put together some of the funny clips, and then I'll come back and talk a little more. Well, sometimes it's humbling to go hunting and not see anything. Even though it's real disappointing. But that's why it's called hunting and not shooting or the harvesting or going to get a deer. It's called hunting because there's always a chance you may not see anything. But it was nice, relaxing, peaceful. But I could have stayed in bed this morning too. So there's its ups and its downs, but oh well. I enjoyed it. So time to go back to the house, get something to eat, take a nap. May go back out this afternoon, may not, but I don't know. Just a old trick, word of the wise. Deer can't smell hot chocolate. I promise you. Guarantee it. They don't mind little kids out here making noise either. Guarantee it. So I'm back out in the same shooting house that we were with my daughter that we managed to shoot that deer. If you want to go check out the video, I'll link it above. So this morning I'm out here by myself due to some unfortunate events at work that I have to be off for 2 weeks. No, I'm not sick, but because I'm unvaccinated, I can't go to work because someone at work got sick. Funny story, the guy that got sick is fully vaccinated. So the government doesn't make sense, but whatever. I am out here hunting, so we'll go over a little bit of what gear I use since we haven't seen nothing yet. So let me get another sip of this hot chocolate. So, let's go over my deer rifle. This is a Savage 111, chambered in 270. I've got a Nikon Buckmaster scope. I know it's not a high dollar scope, but I love Nikon products. I'm kind of sad they quit making deer rifle scopes because I was going to get my wife a new one for hers, but they quit producing them, so I didn't get a chance to get her one. So, but yeah, I got a Butler Creek strap, and I bought this deer rifle like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe longer than that. I bought it from my local pawn shop. It was used. I would like to say it never let me down. The rifle hasn't. The scope that was on it let me down. It was way off. I guess it had broke because when I shot, I lost 3D that year. So when I went to zero it in, it was about yay far off. And I tried to adjust it and it wouldn't go nowhere. So that's why it's got the Nikon scope. So let me get the ammo I'm shooting. Here we go. I'm shooting Hornady Superformance 140 grain SSTs. I used to shoot the Hornady SST Customs, but they quit producing that. Now they produce the Superformance, which I think they've always done this, but just they quit making the custom. So I'm shooting 140 grain SST rounds, and they have the ballistic tip. There's one in here. I'll show you. See that tip right there? It does good for long range shots. That doe I shot 2 videos ago, I'll link it above. It's going so fast at close range that it's not doing anything. So I think when I start hunting close range this year, I'm not going to be bringing the 270. I think I'll be bringing a shotgun. I got a 410 single shot I really want to kill a deer with, so we're going to try to get that done this year, but I don't know if it'll happen. Alright, now the next piece of equipment are my binoculars. Like I said, I like Nikon stuff, so this is a Nikon ProStaff 3S. I've got these from Walmart. I think they were 120 bucks, around there. These are plenty for what I'm looking at. Now, I'm not looking 300 or 400 yards away. I'm looking at 150, 200 tops. These are plenty. You do not have to go to Bass Pro and buy the most expensive pair. If this came from Walmart, this will get you done. Let's see. Let me unclip this. Alright, the next piece of gear that I highly suggest, this is a Mr. Heater, it's a Mr. Heater Buddy Flex heater. This is well worth the $160 I paid for it. My wife loves it. It's the main reason I bought it. So, next piece of gear, my secondary camera is an iPhone 12 Pro. Right now it's taking a time lapse of the sunrise, and I'll show you that in a little while. And then the next piece of gear that I use, main camera, it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I'm filming on right now. I have the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic system that I use, so that's why my audio sounds so good. Let me clip this back up here. That mic, this mic system was almost double what my camera cost. But if you don't have good audio, no one's gonna watch your film. your footage, your video, whatever you want to call it. So I chose to spend more money on my audio than I did my camera, which I need a better secondary camera. This iPhone is good, but it just can't get the distance. Always bring snacks when you go hunting. This is some summer sausage with jalapeno cheese. I got sliced cheddar cheese as well. All right, well, there you guys have it. There's some of the funny footage of the past 2 weeks. It rained real good this past week, so hopefully our duck hole has got enough water in it now that we can go in there and clear the spot out. But I don't know, so I'm going to go check on it possibly this coming up weekend. My work schedule's crazy, which, talking about work, I had to be off for 2 weeks. Long story, won't get into that, but that's how I hunted these past 2 weeks, was during the week and stuff, and kind of hitting and missing the weather. We had a good bit of full moon that messed us up, but we're going to get back at it. Next weekend, I'm about to go hunting. I'm going to try to go back to where my wife shot that spike. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it above. But it's been a real struggle. So y'all stay with me, keep watching the videos, and we'll try to turn out some more good hunting videos for you. But until next time, I'll see you in the woods.